Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Discord account disabled on your settings. So just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down. You will click here on apps, then you come to apps window and you go down here to looking for Discord app. You just go down, then you click here on Discord and you come to app info, or this is window here like you say. You just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you go down, you click here on storage and you come to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you go to Play Store. You just click here on Play Store, then you come here to Discord app and you search for your Discord app and you update your Discord, and you make sure you update your Discord and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.